you can access it, I mean, in the description. So this is what I run to install Java and get everything running. And after this is installed, on VS Code you have to install a package or an extension, a pack of packages, extensions. So installing this, with this will get Java set up on your device. So now anytime I run Java, so it gets executed. So you can see it here. So let's clear this and run this. So it gets executed. So the requirements are basically simple. So you have sudo apt-get. So sudo apt-get install default-jdk. Install default-jdk. So this is the command we write to get Java installed, and then you install the extension pack. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.